Tending to the birds in her backyard coop, Fatima Musaji is trying to raise a bigger flock for the next sale. But her clutch of chicks is battling to survive. It's the heat. Some have disease and others have been culled.
In the beginning, it was fun. I tried many different types of businesses, but didn't succeed. So I thought of opening an aviary. I bought 400 chickens, but 300 died. It became difficult. I had to sell my radio and remaining chickens to restart my business.
Even though she's one of Maputo's better-known entrepreneurs, she's battling to increase market share for her chicken farming business. The difficulties exist along the value chain. For instance, the abattoir will only help her once the supermarkets are guaranteed to buy her chickens. But they prefer produce from abroad. It's cheaper.
In one way, the government helps us. In another, it doesn't. It allows chickens to be imported from overseas, like Brazil, but doesn't protect our local industry. What makes our chickens more expensive are the cereals they have to eat.
Raising a chicken is not as simple